Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to present a tutorial where I can introduce you to the AI emerging tool featuring Filmora. This is an interactive tool can help you transfer your text into the emotion by several simple clicks, and it can generate a picture with three different resolutions and a style painting for you to select. And especially this is not a choice for the online writing comics who need images to illustrate their story. So let's jump right in Filmora and see how it works. How can you do? You can easily to see the AI immersion in the media window and click AI immersion to open it, right? And let me cross over the AI property here. So first, you see the red ray emergent you want to create that. I call this the text box, and which allow you to type your idea up to 800 character to from the AI to generate a picture for you, right? So for next aspect ratio here we have the 3K up resolution for you with the 16 by 9, 9 16 and 1 by 1, right? You can select if for fit with your idea, and here let me illustrate to you three aspect ratio to help you figure out what they are. So here I have around the picture by AI tool, emergent tool in Filmora tail. So with the dog is in front of her house. You see with the here with the 16 by 9 and 9 16 and 1 by 1. You see that? Now for next the emergent style. Here Filmora for you we have a style artist painting here. We have the a style painting here, and with the first freestyle that the immersion will be generated by AI randomly, and hand roll and cyberpunk that the style often features advanced tonality, artificial intelligence, or virtual reality and cybernetic enhancement, right? An ACG style that stands for anime, cosmic, and games. Vanguard, here the famous an influential uh, figure in the Western art history, right? And CGI that stands for computer generated imagery, which is the use of computer graphics in the art and media. And here's that the watercolor that's easy to know, right? And futuristic emphasize the dynamism, speak energy, and change and restlessness of modern night. You can see it this style maybe in the future movie, and that talk about the high density with the advanced technology that human being can transport by flying cars or transit vehicle, right? So for the last that the start creating that's a generating pattern, right? When you select all of them, fit with your idea, your content, just start creating to uh, AI to wait for AI to draw the picture for you, right? So let me do the sample for you. And now I want AI draw me a man with his dog on the beach in the morning, right? Then I do the aspect ratio with 16 by 9, and I do the ACG style and click start creating and wait for a few seconds. It may take you a 1 minute or a few seconds only. You see here the man, but we have two dogs here, and on the page as I described to AI to generate this. If you feel happy with the picture, you can click the icon download here to say to download the picture. If you need more detail, you can write more. Maybe I can write in the morning with the shape on the sea and sunrise. I need maybe and sunrise. Maybe I add more detail and let's start creating again and wait for a few seconds. Oh, you see dog, a man, sunrise, birds, ship, whale ships. Maybe it's lost shape here, but you can start creating again to add to require the AI to generate that as you wish, right? And here, right, you see the shape, sunrise, dark on the beach, a man that in up. And if you feel happy, you just say that, right? And I noticed that here you see remaining emergent creation available. That the Filmora limit you with the 20 times per day to use the AI to ask to require it generate the picture for you only 20 times per day. But another day, a new day, you start with 20 more, right? No worries. And that's all I want to share with you today. And I hope my video can be useful for you and help part some creative also idea to support your goal, right? And if you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And if you feel my video bore you, please ignore my video. And thank you for your watching and see you next time. See ya.